We are going to review ORECK XL Commercial Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Lightweight, easy to use, at 9 pounds for transportation, from room to room and up stairways. Powerful suction, high speed, balanced, double helix brushes that spins at a maximum of 6,500 RPMs. Multi-floor cleaning, Scatterguard squeegee allows scatter-free cleaning on all surfaces, including carpet, wood, laminate, and tile, without manual changes to heights or settings. Low-profile design, lies virtually flat to tackle, hard to reach places and takes up less space during storage. Ergonomic handle, helping hand handle, eliminates squeezing of the hand and bending twisting of the wrist.